Based on the passage, the primary purpose for the 1970s redefinition of insanity proposed by the American Law Institute was to, and the correct answer here is going to be G, more precisely define the concepts of responsibility and intellectual capacity. So let's see how G is backed up by the text. Here we see during the 1970s, a number of state and federal courts adopted a broader legal definition of insanity as proposed by the American Law Institute, which states a person is not responsible for criminal conduct if at the time of such conduct, as a result of mental disease or defect, he lacks substantial capacity either to appreciate the wrongfulness of his conduct or to conform his conduct to the requirements of the law. The word substantial indicates that any incapacity is not enough to avoid criminal responsibility, but that total incapacity is not required either. The use of the word appreciate rather than know implies that intellectual awareness of right and wrong is not enough. Individuals must have some understanding of the moral or legal consequences of their behavior before they can be held criminally responsible. So here, as I've underlined, we're defining the terms capacity, incapacity as in intellectual capacity. Incapacity is simply the opposite of capacity. And the meaning of the word responsible. And specifically, we're giving very precise meanings. So here, they're saying that they use the word substantial in order to suggest some meaning between any and total. This is a very precise meaning. Also, they use the word appreciate instead of know to give a more precise meaning of responsibility. And so here we can see that we've given more precise meanings of incapacity and responsibility exactly as stated in answer G.